I just felt like the vibes were there, right? Oh my God, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Trust the process. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be trying out the new Party in Puerto Rico palette from BH Cosmetics. I have not tried out BH Cosmetics since Taking Me Back to Brazil, which was a long time ago. I have heard that they have since upped their formula, so I'm really excited to see how this compares. Wait, no, that's not true. I'm such a liar. I got the Sylvia Gani palette, and then I've gotten the Daisy Marquez palette. So I had those two. I don't know, they're in storage, so I don't remember. But okay, if you didn't know and you're new here, I have a lot of my makeup in storage. I just can't access it right now, so it really sucks. But anyway, we're gonna be trying out this palette today. I also got the Passion in Paris palette. This will probably be the next video you see, but today I'm excited. Okay, listen, I'm excited because I'm Cuban, if you didn't know, but my husband is half Puerto Rican, so this is ultra exciting for me. I absolutely loved the color story. I mean, look at it. It's gorgeous. So much fun. Anyway, if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I do a ton of colorful makeup looks and product reviews just like this. And let's get into this video. So I did just want to say that I did order it from the BH website, and let me tell you, it took forever. 2 weeks, maybe even 3. This is why it's so late. Anyway, like, I'm really annoyed. They do have them in Ulta. I did decide that I want to do a giveaway of both of the palettes, the Party in Puerto Rico as well as the Passion in Paris, because I just think they're so much fun. When the time comes, I will actually order it directly off the Ulta website to send it to the person that wins. I will have all the rules for the giveaway down below. I'll talk about it more at the end if I remember. So this is a 16 color eyeshadow palette for $17. I want to know the inspiration behind the color story. Although I do love it, I would say it's a bit more neutral than I would like, but there's a lot of fun, bright colors in here as well. So it's a lot of fun. But when I picture Puerto Rico or any Caribbean island, I picture more aquas, greens, blues, anything like that, more islandy colors. This to me screams summer in a palette, so I'm not mad at it. So I'm gonna be doing 2 looks. I think I'm gonna go more neutral for the first one and then like do a really fun, bright, colorful look for the second one. And I'm really excited because these are my people. So I'm really happy. Let me tell you, I'm already impressed after swatching them. I think there are a lot of fun colors in here. I'm excited. Okay, there's a couple of shades I could do without. I could maybe do without this one or this one. Like, they're very similar. Instead, I would have popped in a yellow shimmer, not a gold, but a yellow shimmer to go with the shade Condado, which is the yellow. I just think that that would just add so much to this palette. But other than that, I love every single shade. Coquí is gorgeous. Vieques and Isla Verde, so pretty. I love Culebra and Culebrita. The bright orange. This is a fun palette. It's not just neutrals. Like, when I first saw it, I was like, man, like, I was hoping for something more. Honestly, a lot of fun bright colors in here, so I'm excited to see. I'm gonna do like more of a neutral look first, and then I'm gonna really try to do something colorful. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna take is Condado, which is the yellow, and I'm just gonna put that all over my crease. That's gonna be my transition shade. I just think it's gonna help blend out any deeper shade I go in with. A little bit of kickback, but not too much. Wow, you know, that's applying better than it's swatched. I was a little worried. I thought it was gonna be a little patchy, but it is not patchy at all. I forgot to zoom you guys in. This is stunning so far. I'm gonna deepen the crease a little bit with the shade Gallo y Cacos. Wow, that's blending out so nicely. Just taking a bit more of the yellow and like blending. Okay, and then I'm gonna further deepen the crease with Castillo, which is like a reddish brown. It looks more red on camera than it does in person. I would say it's more of a reddish brown than a red. I'm just gonna deepen like maybe the outer corner and just drag it a little bit into the crease, not too much. But I'm loving this gradient effect that the eyeshadows are like, they're blending into each other so nicely. It's really pretty. I'm loving this gradient. I'm just gonna take my other brush that I used for the other shade, whatever it is, the middle shade, and no additional product, just kind of blend that toward the yellow. Oh my gosh, these are blending so effortlessly. I'm seriously in shock because I haven't tried a BH palette in so long. Here we are. I'm loving this, like always. Like, I have nothing bad to say right now. But I'm gonna take the shade San Juan because it's like a beautiful gold shade, and that's gonna go in the inner part of my lid. I might go in with another one later on, like another lid shade. I do wish, like I said, there was more of like a yellow with a shimmer. Wow, that's pretty. Not cutting my crease, not even using setting spray. I think that it applies really nicely on its own. You don't need any of that. This is a very simple look. I'm just gonna flip my brush over and take Cueva Ventana and put that on the outer part. I think I noticed what else is missing in this palette, and I'm gonna tell you in a second. I do wish there was like a deep dark brown. This is like looking pretty random here now. But I think with like a deep dark brown, in the outer corner, it would look even better. Right now, it kind of looks a little bit random. But I'm just going to blend a little bit more of Castillo just into it, just to like make sure it's not like so harsh. But either way, like it's not deep enough. You know what I mean? On the lower lash line, I'm going to take the same shades I took in my crease, starting with Castillo, really close to the lash line. Gallo y Cacos as well. And then I'm going to blend Condado. Here's where I'm running into an issue. I don't know what to put in my inner corner, but I'm gonna try Condado first. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Actually, it's not bad, but I just wish it had a sparkle. I'm gonna take a little bit of San Juan, like a little tiny bit, which is like that shimmer shade I took on the lid. Kind of mix those two together, see how that looks. It's a little better. It's not my preferred. I wish there was like a champagne-y glitter shade too, but the yellow shimmer would be like ideal, but it doesn't look bad. This is kind of a basic ass look for me, but it's a lot of fun. So this is the final first look. I'm so happy. Like I paired it with this orange lip because I just felt like the vibes were there, right? You know what I mean? This is the Patrick Ta. She's not from here. Oh, I'm obsessed with this lip color. Yes, the dog is barking. Don't know what's going on outside. Someone was just like ringing my doorbell and I like ignored them. I'm so impressed with the quality so far. I think you can create like such a fun, neutral, everyday kind of glam. But so far, I'm really enjoying it, but I really want to get into the bright, so I'm very excited for that as well. But like so far, mattes blend perfectly. Shimmers go on smooth. They're not like the most amazing opaque shimmers ever, but they're really nice and I like them. They're not crumbly, so that tends to like make me happy a little bit because the crumbly ones, like they go everywhere. Not a lot of fallout with this, but great pigmentation so far. Very easy to blend. Love the formula. Can't wait to get into the next look. Let's do it. I have no idea what I want to do. I just know I want to incorporate more of the pinks and oranges, the bright colors. I'm going to start off with Isla Verde, which is the bright pink shade. I'm a little nervous for this. I don't know. Lately, I've been taking more of the transition shades first and then deepening them out, but I'm going to do the reverse for this look. Let's see how it goes. Do you guys see this more as red or pink? Because I see it as pink in the pan. Let's see how it looks on the eyes. Yeah, to me, it's definitely more pink. Wow. I'm just stamping it on first and then I'll blend it out. I think I'm only going to take it on like the outer half of my crease and the outer corner. I think I might do like a V-shape situation. This is a gorgeous shade, guys. Oh my gosh. I just don't know where I'm gonna go with this. Let me blend a little bit of flamenco over it, which is the light pink. Just gonna wing it out a little bit. Wow, that is blending. God, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm like torn because I want to use so many of the colors. What do I do, guys? What do I do? Okay, I'm gonna take the shade Culebrita and that's gonna go in the inner part of the crease. I think this is the vibe I'm going for. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna take a little bit more of Isla Verde, which is the pink, and just kind of like connect. Oh my god, I love those vibes already. I'm loving it. Okay, here's the thing. Do I go in with yellow to blend out the orange? I really wanted to take this like Vieques shimmer pink, but I think it's gonna be too monochromatic and I don't really enjoy those vibes right now. I want something like super colorful and different, you know? Oh my gosh, I don't have another brush. Do I? Yes, I do. I'm gonna take Condado, which is the yellow. I really wanted to take like something else, but I just think it's gonna be the best option to help blend out the orange. Just cutting my crease, taking more of Isla Verde and just like blending it into this concealer mess that I did here. I'm gonna fix it though. Trust the process. I don't know what to take. Genuinely, I'm confused. I'm gonna start with Rincon, I think, which is like a rose gold, and that's gonna go in the inner part. I wanted to keep this more colorful. I don't want them to be like so monochromatic either. Like I don't want the lid to match the crease shades, if that makes any sense. So I have to take something a little different first. It's a pretty shade. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Cookie on the rest of the lid. Oh, this shade is so freaking stunning. I don't even know how to describe it. What would you describe this as? Like an orange pink beautifulness. That's gonna go on the rest of the lid. Yeah, it's a little more monochromatic than I wanted, but it's okay. So pretty. I'm just gonna mix Rincon into it a little bit and vice versa. Just blending a little bit more of Isla Verde into the lid. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take Vieques because I really wanted to incorporate that in this look. That shade is so stunning. So I just learned from my hubby that Vieques is an island off of Puerto Rico. Such a gorgeous shade. I'm putting it all over though. Wow, this is gorgeous. Loving it. I don't know what to take for the inner corner. I think I'm gonna do Rincon and just like really lightly. I'm gonna shear it out a little bit on my, yeah, you can shear it out. You could just blend it until it turns into like There you go. Yeah, that's nice. This palette is missing like a champagne. I know I keep saying this palette's missing this palette's missing that, but it's true though. I feel like I need something for the inner corner that's a little lighter than what this is giving me. I'm gonna take El Yunque and just kind of like make it a little lighter. Actually, that worked a little bit. Yeah, that kind of worked. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm really loving how this turned out. I love the orange and pink vibes. Seriously, so summer. I'm obsessed with this palette. The color story is so pretty. After using it a couple of times, I would say it is a half neutral, half really bright, fun, colorful palette. So it is right up my alley, even though when I first saw it I was like, meh. So far I'm really impressed with the quality. I decided that I'm gonna do a giveaway for this video and a giveaway for the Passion in Paris video. If you want to win, there will be the rules in the description box, but you'll be winning both palettes in both videos, and I'll just send them directly from the Ulta website. I'm pretty sure they're still in stock. So that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much and I would greatly appreciate it. I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Do that again. I also got the what's it called? Anyway, if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. What? Anyway, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I don't recommend. I think that there are a lot of fun. And then I'm gonna blame what? Okay, so when what?